Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make this beautiful hexagon shaped granny crochet piece. You can stick loads of these together, make a beautiful shawl, beautiful bag, a throw, bed sheets, scarves, cardigans. There's so much that you can do with these pretty little pieces. I am of course using this red yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. And yeah, let's get started. We're going to start off by just holding our yarn like this in between the thumb and that first finger. Go ahead and insert your yarn like this and just twist it. Or you can go ahead and do a magic circle if you wish to. We're going to go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there. Now let's start with row 1. We're going to chain 3 and we are going to place 17 double crochets in this center here. We need 18, but the first one that we do always counts as 2. So look, we've got 2 double crochets here, and we're going to keep going until we get to 18. So I've got 3, got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one, which is 18. We're now going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there, just like this. And that's row 1 complete. To move to row 2, we're going to go ahead and chain 3. And we're going to double crochet in that next space there. So we need to do 3 clusters of double crochets, but remember, the first double crochet always counts as 2. And in the next space, go ahead and put 1 more double crochet. So we've now got 3 double crochets there. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. We're going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now in that next chain space, go ahead and double crochet. In that next chain space, go ahead and double crochet. In the next chain space, go ahead and double crochet. So we've got another cluster of 3 double crochets there. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put 3 double crochets in the next 3 chains again. 1, 2, 3. By chaining 3, we're getting these spaces ready to be our corners. So we need 6 3 double crochet clusters in total. So go ahead and chain 3, and in the next 3 chain spaces, go ahead and place a double crochet in them each. Chain 3, and we're going to do that same thing again. So double crochet in the next chain space, double crochet in the next chain space, double crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, and the same thing again. Double crochet in the next chain space, double crochet in the next chain space, and finally double crochet in the next chain space. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clusters as we need. Now we need to slip stitch into here, but chain 3 first. Slip stitch into that first space there. So friends, this is round 2 complete. Let's now move on to round 3. For round 3, we're going to go ahead and chain 3. We're going to double crochet in this space and this space, just like we did already. So we've done 1 double crochet there, but that really counts as 2. Double crochet in that next chain space there. Now, we're now going to start to build our corners, the hexagon corners. So you see in that first space there, go ahead and do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. So we've got the start of the corner. Now let's sharpen the corner. And we're going to do that by placing another 3 double crochets in that same space there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to double crochet in this bit chain, this chain and this chain, just like we did in row 2. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Now let's go ahead into the next space and make the next corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. We've got our second corner ready there. Now we're going to go ahead as we did in row 2 again. Just go ahead and double crochet and double crochet again. And we've already approached the third corner. So 3 double crochets in there. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. 3 double crochets in that corner again. 1, 2, 3. And now for this 3 double crochet cluster space, just go ahead and do 3 double crochets on that again. Now that next space, 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. 3 double crochets in that same space again. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet over it again. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet. That next space, let's make another corner by putting in 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. And then we've got that cluster there again. And we're going to put 3 double crochets just as we did in row 2. Just like that. And now let's get into that last 6th corner. So double crochet 3 times. Just like that. Chain 2. And 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to slip stitch into that first space there. Our 3rd row complete. Let's go ahead and work on our 4th row. Chain 3. And we're literally working the same pattern as we did in row 2 and 3. But this time we're going to add a chain in between these clusters. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about what I mean by that. So we're going to double crochet to start with. So we've now got 2 double crochets. And we need to put 1 more in. So now we've got that same cluster as we have in row 3 and 2. This time, we're not just going to go into the corner, which is what we did in the previous row. We're going to go ahead and chain 1. If we don't chain 1, our work's going to start to curl up like this. So go ahead and put 3 double crochets in this space as we have been doing. Chain 2, 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3. And instead of going straight on to the 3 cluster post, we're going to chain 1. And now we're going to go to that 3 cluster post and just double crochet on top of them. So we should end up with 3 double crochets to keep that same cluster going. Chain 1. Go into that corner there. 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Find that the 3 clusters again. They're right there. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1. Now let's go into that next corner there. 3 double crochets. Chain 2. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Find the 3 clusters and double crochet in those. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. And now let's go to this corner here. 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet in that same space. Chain 1. Go into those clusters there. 3 double crochets to keep that pattern going. Chain 1 and go into the next corner. 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. There's 3 clusters. Double crochet in all 3. Chain 1. And let's get into that final corner. 3 double crochet. Chain 2. 3 double crochet in that same space. Chain 1. And slip stitch into that first space there. And guys, there we have it. You can block this work if you wish to. I do have a few tutorials up on how to block crochet pieces of work without investing in a blocking board, so please do go ahead and check those out. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and please do subscribe. It does not cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Thank you.